Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T20 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all we have to open the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let me start with the shortest one, and it will be *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number of this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. And the code is *##225#***. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check them because here they are grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostic info. So it is *##426#***. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host, port, time connected, and the signal level sometimes will appear also. Let's tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it, nothing happened, but no worries. Just tap on the status, and here we've got more information, just like the last ping, heartbeat or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you another code which I hope will work. It will open the testing menu. It is *##4636#***. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, so here we've got the tablet information, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. So here you can check, for example, the phone number, the email number, again, current network, data service, data network type. I do not have any information here. It is because I do not have my SIM inserted also. We can run ping test here and you've got the results. What is more, three dots icon, and you can, for example, enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Let's go back, check usage statistics. As you can see here, we've got the list of the apps and the processes which are currently on this device. And for example, you can check that I've spent some time on the settings, as you can see, or in the wallpaper almost 4 minutes. Of course, you can change the sorting type to the last time used or app name. And here we've got the Wi-Fi information. Hello. We've got the API configuration and the status. So for example, after tapping on the status and refreshing the stats, we can check the network state, SSID, or network ID. We can also run ping tests here. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your DOOGEE T20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.